There is nobody in this place whom you can tell that don't stay in this place and he dies the following day. That is not true. Here people can survive from anywhere. And for us in this we are all almost related. We have relatives, we have friends, we have everyone around us. But the problem is that we are failing to implement because of the weak policy. As simple as that. Even stubborn people. For me, if I can have my government, there's none of you can be stubborn. If you are stubborn, I put you to order. Can I fail? You can. And when the government, I tell you what to do, I tell you are stubborn, where to begin from? Has any of you been in Rwanda? Even you can tell people in Rwanda that you are stubborn. When the government is in place. Nothing. Ours is just a weak law. As simple as that. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, with the academicians like you don't give them everything. But I'm not hiding anything. That is what I had. And the rest is for you to get permission for you to go and do your best in this place is granted to you. And if you had any written document, I will initial any sign and I will appeal to whoever you will meet to accord you any assistance you may require. I'm going to inform the police if you are not informed them because I'm going to have a meeting with them. Even the RDC should know, so that whatever you are moving, you are in your country, and the purpose is not a bad reason why you are here. Thank you very much.
So on behalf of the